Good morning to you all. Thanks for the opportunity to come along this morning to provide a formal welcome to country. My name's Grattan Mullet Senior. I identify as a Kurnai person, a Kurnai man, as part of the Gunai Kurnai Nation here. I'd like to just begin by just acknowledging and paying my respects to my elders, past, present, and those that are emerging in our community, where we continue to, I guess, pass on our knowledge, and which obviously supports and maintains our cultural identity as Gunai Kurnai people here in Gippsland. Where we're standing here today is this particular area here, which encompasses the Mitchell River across to the Tambo River, which is part of one of the clan groups' traditional boundaries, which is the Brabalung people. We have 5 tribal groups that obviously occupied the whole of the Gippsland region. Our footprint of our traditional country extends from the southern slopes of Mount Hotham across to Warragul in the west, down to Foster in the south, and across to the Snowy River in the east. So it's quite a large footprint.